Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it to your friends and your loved ones. Thank you guys for tuning in once again. My name is Obsy. So this video is going to be about holiday gift ideas for fragrance lovers. I find that because I love fragrances, I think that people think it's a no-brainer, so they're going to get me fragrance gifts. They end up getting fragrances that I probably already own. Yeah, so there's always like that whole mixed feelings or mixed emotions, even though I love the thought of it, because at the end of the day, it's the thought that counts. But then I feel like if you're buying a gift, in quote, fragrance for a fragrance lover, maybe you have to give it with a twist. I'm here to give you guys some ideas on how to impress a fragrance lover with fragrances or anything that smells good. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first one on my list is basically perfume gift set. I mean, this one is common knowledge. I think that if you go to a fragrance store right now, you will see all the numerous gift sets on display. So if you want to get a particular fragrance, they might actually have the gift set, and the gift set might come with a hand cream or a body cream or a shower gel, or maybe a smaller size like a pocket fragrance, maybe 5 ml or 10 ml of the perfume. I'm sure you guys already know. I'm going to leave pictures of what I'm talking about on the screen for you guys. I think this is a twist to gifting someone that already loves fragrances. Let me use myself as an example, because at the end of the day, I love fragrances. So if you're trying to get me a fragrance, and maybe perhaps you know my favorite fragrance or the kind of fragrances that I love, it would be nice to buy me a set, a gift set. I might probably already own the fragrance if I'm being honest, but just to create that twist as a holiday gift set, it might be a set of 5, set of 3, set of 4, just never know. But I think that a gift set always creates that twist. I think it's more creative in that way. If you don't know what to get for a fragrance lover, I think this is the easiest thing that you can buy for anyone that genuinely loves to smell good. And you can also personalize it. If they have the option of maybe engraving the person's name on the bottle, you could also do that, because that can give like a different vibe to the whole gift. Or there are some fragrances that actually come in limited edition bottles. Say for instance, Chanel No. 5 usually comes in the red bottle. During this Christmas time, I don't know, they usually make some limited edition bottles. If you know that your partner or whoever you're gifting likes a particular fragrance, you should actually think of buying the limited edition bottle, because I think that it just makes the gift a bit more special, especially because bottles don't come out like that every time of the year. So it just creates that kind of like, you know, exclusivity, if that makes sense. But I think these are ways to like revamp your perfume gift set. You can have like personalized notes in the gift box, so you can tell the cashier that you're actually gifting it, and then you choose the wrap that you want to wrap the gift with and the ribbon or whatever it is, and then you can have like if there's a small card, you can have a personalized note. I know Sephora does this, so yeah, you should actually check that out. This video is not sponsored by any brand. I'm just giving you my take. Notino does that as well. You might want to also give like handwritten note, because I feel like that's more personal. If you're also thinking of something else to gift a fragrance lover or someone that genuinely loves to smell luxurious, think of buying a perfume that has a luxurious packaging, because I feel like sometimes when we purchase fragrances, especially for people like me that loves fragrances, there's a feeling that we get from unboxing. You see why they do all these unboxing videos? It's usually because the boxes are nice, you know, it creates the excitement of unboxing. The Xerjoff, I think that the Xerjoff packages, they scream expensive, they scream money. Of course it's an expensive fragrance, but even just the unboxing alone just makes you feel like you're just, you know, you're swimming in money. It just gives you this richness or this rich luxury vibe. There's so many expensive fragrances that come in a very nice box, so I think that you should actually check out fragrances that have a nice packaging. I'm going to leave some ideas on the screen again for you guys to see, even if you're not sure of the actual scent. I mean, I think that you should actually sample the fragrance before you buy it, but even if you are not sure of the actual fragrance, the whole packaging might actually give a very nice impression of this holiday gifting period. So another idea that I think you can gift a fragrance lover, I mean, a fragrance lover doesn't necessarily mean you have to give the person a perfume. You can actually give them home fragrances. I don't think a lot of people think about this. I mean, for me, for instance, I cannot stay in a house and not have a home spray. It's impossible. It's very important to me. Again, fragrance is like my lifestyle, so everything needs to smell good, including my home. A home fragrance is equally as important. I mean, the spray is the one that you actually spray, and it's for the home. They have really nice smells, and you can sample them before you buy them, or you can also invest in diffusers as well. I'll leave some links in the description perfume box. Home sprays or diffusers are a brilliant idea for this, season, and a lot of brands actually come up with the fall scents, like, the whole cinnamon, orangey vibes that actually give us the fall aura. If you want that whole cozy, spicy, sweet, warm as well. So you should check out scents like this that actually have similar vibes. There are so many, from the expensive range to the affordable range. Of course, the difference between these two is that the expensive one lasts way longer than the cheaper one. The cheap diffusers that we have in the different drugstores, those ones don't last as long. I mean, they tend to evaporate very quickly. Jo Malone has really nice diffusers. They usually have like similar fragrances, like the same fragrances in diffusers. So you can actually think about that. I think that Jo Malone is a very nice brand to actually gift someone, especially if you are out of ideas. You can easily just pick up the actual fragrance, the diffuser, the shower gel, the body cream, and they always have this very, very nice box that you can put everything in there. And that takes me to my next point: personalized boxes. So you can actually create your own box where you can buy different items and fix it in there. I think that's more personal, because then you are literally outsourcing these products and you're making it into this nice, beautiful package that you're going to give to someone that you genuinely care about. I'm using Jo Malone as an example. This video is not sponsored by Jo Malone. You can easily go into Jo Malone and literally pick out different fragrances. They have the shower gels, they have the body oils, they have the candles, they have the diffusers, they have actual perfumes, of course. So you can pick out one particular scent and then get them in all their ranges and put them in a box there. I think that that's a very good idea of making a personalized box where the box is already looking very nice and luxurious, and Jo Malone does this very nice packaging with the ribbons and stuff like that. And yeah, and they can easily throw in some samples in there, like little pocket perfumes, like the 6 or 9 ml fragrances of other perfumes. So my next point here is holiday candles. There are different brands that make candles, and I think that candles are very sentimental, if that makes sense. I don't know, for me, again, it's all about the experience when using these products. If you get holiday candles, first of all, the packaging is nice, so you can actually buy a very nice candle that has a very nice packaging. It can be on vanity, it can be in the bedroom, it can be in the living room on the center table. Diptyque has like amazing candles. They've come up with this holiday collection that has really nice packaging. I think my favorite is the one that is called Spain. It smells really, really good. Maison Francis Kurkdjian has really nice candles. I have the Oud Satin Mood candle, and because I genuinely love this scent, and this can easily be my signature scent, I literally live for this scent. It's very sexy, it's very beautiful, and then the candles really come in a very nice packaging. Yeah, so this is how it looks. It literally comes in this nice white candle holder with the actual similar packaging like in the fragrance bottles, and then it has this very nice cap. So when the candle isn't on, you can actually just cover it so that the burnt part isn't really exposed. They have it in Baccarat Rouge 540. They have it in literally, if I'm not mistaken, more different scents, so you can definitely try or check that out. And so many other brands that actually have really nice packaging of candles. And another way to actually revamp or add some oomph to the packages to a candle gift is by actually buying the candle kits that you use to either light the candle, to turn it off, because it is actually not good to blow your candle, but you should use the actual kit to turn it off, because then it prevents the actual smoke from mixing with the actual fragrance when it is burnt, if that makes sense. I don't know. The whole candle kit comes with that, what you use to light it, what you use to turn it off, and what you use to trim the wick. It's a very thoughtful gift in my opinion. Jackie Aina's candle line, even though I know her brand is a bit pricey, but it's equally great. I mean, if you can afford MFK, you can definitely afford her brand. She has a set of these mini candles. If it's candles from all her collection, I don't know. I think that's equally a very nice idea, because then you can light it at different times of the season. So the next idea on my list here to gift a fragrance lover is actually buying 2 fragrances that you think would be nice for layering. So for instance, you can go into the fragrance store and check out 2 different fragrances that you think when layered together they create a different scent or a more unique scent. So you can buy a normal scent that has like a vanilla or something sweet, and then the second fragrance might be a very strong scent that probably has oud or tobacco in it, and you see that when you mix both of them, they give this very unique and different scent which is not actually found in the fragrance store. You can actually check out again Jo Malone. Most of their fragrances are good to layer with each other. Kayali fragrances is also another fragrance that you can actually think of buying 2 fragrances that you can layer with different other fragrances. My favorite from the brand is Deja Vu White Flowers. I feel like that's a very nice base because it's a very nice white floral musky vanilla scent, and you can use that and layer it with Invite Only, which is also one of my favorites from the brand, and literally any other fragrance and so many other brands. Honestly, I'm just giving you ideas of how you can actually, you know, buy gifts for someone that genuinely loves fragrances without just buying one perfume, because there's a high chance that either the person has the fragrance or the person has already used the fragrance before. So how do you set yourself apart, or how do you make the person feel differently about a particular fragrance? I already talked about, you know, picking out a fragrance that has its cream, its diffuser, its body spray, its shower gel. I think that is also a very nice idea. So instead of thinking too hard of what else can you add to this thing, you can just, you know, buy one fragrance and then buy its shower gel and then buy its body cream. But these are ways to actually gift somebody that loves fragrances and make it more special. Even a hygiene set can actually be a gift, but then probably a hygiene set that smells good. You can just go into your drugstore and literally they have this set. I think Sanctuary has one. It comes with a body scrub, it comes with shower gel, probably even comes with a sponge as well, comes with a body cream, comes with a whole set. You know, I think that's equally a nice gift set. If somebody genuinely loves to smell good, they also genuinely love to have a nice shower time, or they also care very much about their hygiene. I mean, I don't think that you can smell good without having a good hygiene. So it's not a bad thing to actually go in and buy or purchase this gift set, this hygiene gift set, and you can probably buy 1 or 2 of these things and add it to maybe the perfumes or whatever it is and just make it a whole gift set. So another thing that I feel you should gift are body oils. So we are in winter season, you know, it's Christmas time, it's cold. Body oils are very, very, very important because the cream does not really do justice. No matter how much you cream yourself with the normal body butter or body cream, trust me, you're going to still step out of the house looking very ashy and you'll be wondering how. So gifting fragrance body oils is equally as important, especially if you're going to be having like this dinner nights, like companies are having like Christmas parties. If you're going to be going out on different Christmas events, you need to oil your skin. We don't need ashiness around here, so a good fragrance oil will actually do the job. Again, Oud Satin Mood, which is my favorite, has a body oil. In fact, MFK literally has body oils from our favorite fragrances, Baccarat Rouge 540, you know, Oud Satin Mood, and the different other brands. I think the Nest brand also has very nice body oils as well. If you're not able to afford the fragrances, because the body oils are not as expensive as the actual fragrances, you can actually go for the body oils that can serve as a layering base for the actual fragrances that they already own. The last but not the least gift item or gift idea is basically a gift card. If you don't know what to gift a fragrance lover, if you don't know what fragrances the person might like, if you're just confused, just go into the store and ask if they have a gift card. You know, find out the amount that you can spend on a gift card. Some of them can range from $100 to $500, or from $50 to $200. I don't know. The fragrances, it might be a bit more pricey just because of the kind of fragrances they sell in the store. But I think that you should get a gift card if you're confused on the kind of fragrance to actually buy someone that genuinely loves fragrances and you don't want the person to be disappointed. I mean, if someone gives me a gift card for a fragrance store, I'll be so excited, because then I can go and actually choose the actual fragrance that I would love. You know, I have the option of choosing my own fragrance. So that's a very great idea. Just to summarize everything, now all the gift ideas I've listed for you guys are amazing. A fragrance lover would definitely appreciate these items. Don't kill yourself too much. Just know that it's the thoughts that count at the end of the day, but make sure you put in the work. Don't just go into a store and buy something and say, just because I want to gift her a fragrance or gift him a fragrance. Put in the effort, because it's actually emphasizing on how much you genuinely care that the person loves the fragrance. So it's actually deeper than just buying the fragrance. Think of writing handwritten notes, personalized notes, just to show how maybe grateful or how special the person is to you. You know, engraved bottles, like I mentioned earlier, you can actually ask the brand or the company to write the names of the person you're buying the gift for on the bottles, because it kind of makes them feel more special. Yeah, and you can always buy anything sentimental. It could be an ornament, it could be a decorative piece, something that will actually have longevity, if that makes sense. So I think that that's actually a great idea, and you can add it to the boxes as well. I hope you guys loved my ideas on how to gift a fragrance lover. So yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and let me know other ideas you might have in gifting a fragrance lover. That brings us to the end of this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to share it to your friends and your loved ones. And I'm going to see you in my next one.